bump back. Light skin, a little small fry. Bust down the Rolex on. Got my iPhone, I got my text on. You don't like them, tell it, get the hell on. I'ma light them up like glow zone. Ride around with the roof gone. Hang glide like the get low. Listen, shorty, here's a blindfold. You can't see, but your mind know. We're a perfect match, your mind know. You can get it pop like mine know. Rat-tat-tat-tat. That's a little shorty, do it like that. Rat-tat-tat-tat. That's a little shorty, do it like that.
What's up, trendsetters? So today we have an unboxing. I got a late Christmas present from my sister today, a jump starter and an air compressor, and it has these are the features: 150 psi, 12 volt. It can put air in tires for all gasoline vehicles, 8-point leader for diesel vehicles. More stats back here. So it has a LED light, a power bank, air compressor, jump starter. All right, I'm gonna open it up. So I noticed it was in a nice little bag. Here we go. This will be perfect to fit in my car console. So this is the case it's in. It's like a thick canvas case, all black. These are the zippers here, so I'm gonna open it up. Oh. So here it is. This is for the jumper cables. This looks like part of the USB-C charging mechanism. And then I really wanted another one of these. I just didn't want one of the really heavy ones. So now I'm gonna look. This is the instruction manual. And then this looks like the actual compressor here. Oh, and here's the hose. The hose here that connects to the compressor. So there it goes. Is it going to power on? Does it have charge? Let's stick this in there. The orange. It's on tight. Turn it around. Hold it down.
It might need to charge.
Yeah, it needs a charge. But those are the buttons. Nice sleek design. Can you peel the sticker off? Can you peel the sticker off? Alright, so it's got a charge, but we'll come back to you guys once it has a charge.
Yeah, it's got a charge. It's a charger, right?
Okay, it's very compact, so I like that. And we're just gonna charge it up and come back to you guys. So down here at the bottom, you can see the charging for USB-C and for the, what did they used to call that? The USB cable can go in USB-C. All right, we're gonna get this plugged up and charged. So the button right there, you're gonna hold it down for like 2 seconds. All right, then this, toggle the PSI.
Right there. You just want from it. You just got away from it. Go ahead. That's PSI.
Oh, where was the PSI?
Right there.
Okay. So then we'll move down to, what is it, 35? It's cold out here. Alright, and then the tire is really flat, y'all. Let's see how it does. Wait a minute, what did you do? Oh, don't break it. It scared him. What did you do? Don't
I remember that.
Because you're moving that needle, you don't need to move that. Okay, now it's going up. Is it just going up by itself? Don't touch that. Why are you touching it?
This is the
I don't want you to mess the hose up. Oh yeah, it's going up. inflated now. So it works. No more flat tire. It took a little while. It was kind of slow, but it works. Yep. Alright guys, come back at you another time. Peace.